What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So last week I received my very first American Express credit card in the mail, and after getting to know the platform and the various benefits that this card offers, I wanted to share what I've learned about this card with you. So today let's open up my American Express Gold card and check out all of the many benefits that this card can offer you that allow you to get free food, free hotels, free flights, and everything in between. Alright, let's jump right into it. So first, let's do an unboxing of this card, if you can call it that, so that you know what to expect in the mail, and then we'll talk in depth about how to use this card properly so that you can get a ton of free stuff from those awesome benefits. So typically they ship your card via FedEx, and I think when I was approved it said that it would take over a week for my card to arrive, but mine actually showed up within 3 days, so I really think it all depends on where you live and how backed up American Express may be, but at least in my experience and what I've heard from other sources, I do think that it usually shows up within a few days. So it's going to show up in a little FedEx package, and inside is going to be an American Express envelope that has some information and your card inside. If you open that up, inside there's another envelope, and inside there is going to be 2 pieces of paper. The first is an informational card that talks about the various benefits and has the entire user agreement on the back, but we're going to talk about all of that good stuff in a minute, so we don't really need this. Now, the second piece of paper is what you probably care about because that's where your new card is, and it gives you some information on how to activate your new credit card and all of that good stuff, but it's kind of self-explanatory, so let's take the card out and do an overly dramatic 10-second montage of this really cool-looking American Express Gold card. And of course, as most people do when they get their first metal credit card, we have to do a proper drop test to confirm that it is in fact metal. Okay, all jokes aside, I know that most of you probably don't care about what your credit card looks like, but I know that I and many others do care about this for whatever reason, so I can say without a doubt that the American Express Gold card is one of the coolest looking credit cards that I have ever seen, and you will not be disappointed. I did my best to capture all of the details, but honestly, it's hard to pick these things up on camera, and it's not until you get this card in your hand that you really appreciate how cool it really is and the finite details that are on the card. And I will also mention that personally I have the regular gold card, but right after I received mine, American Express actually added the rose gold color as a standard option. So if you prefer that color better, then that's definitely something to consider. Okay, so that aside, what benefits is this card actually going to offer you? Because as many of you probably know, the Amex Gold card has a pretty hefty annual fee, meaning it better offer some really great benefits in order to make that fee worth it. Well, just to make sure that we are all on the same page, the American Express Gold card currently has an annual fee of $250 per year, which probably sounds insane to some of you, and you're right. If you don't properly know how to use the benefits of this card, then it is a complete waste of money to spend $250 per year just to get this cool looking credit card. However, it's pretty easy to recoup that cost by using the most basic offers that come with it. For starters, you're going to get a $100 airline fee credit, which can be applied to pretty much every major airline for food, beverages, free Wi-Fi upgrades, and a number of other things that can make your travel experience a little more comfortable. You're also going to get a $120 dining credit that can be used at select locations like Boxed, Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Shake Shack, and the one that most of us will probably use, Grubhub. And American Express actually just added a new $120 Uber cash credit, which can be used for either Uber rideshare platform or for Uber Eats if you're ordering food as well. So if we add up just those 3 benefits, that's already $340 in cash benefits, not even including all of the other great benefits as well. But as always, you need to make sure that you were using those to supplement things that you probably would have purchased anyways. So if you don't fly that much, then you're probably not going to get a true benefit out of that airline credit because you wouldn't have otherwise purchased anything on that plane. Or if you don't use Uber or Uber Eats, then yeah, you might be able to get $120 in free food, but if you hadn't have been purchasing that stuff already throughout your regular budget, then you're not actually getting any net benefit out of this card, if that makes sense. However, those are just 3 of the most basic benefits that this card offers, and there are a ton of other ways that you can easily recoup that $250 annual fee. As you could probably tell from those statement credits, the American Express Gold Card is going to provide most of its benefits on food, whether that be dining at restaurants, ordering in, or even going to the grocery store. So on restaurants worldwide, you're currently going to earn 4 points per dollar, including takeout and delivery, and you're also going to earn 4 points per dollar on all U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 in purchases each year, plus 3 points per dollar on flights booked directly with the airline, and 1 point per dollar on all other eligible purchases. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the American Express Gold Card offers a pretty significant sign-up bonus as well for new card members. Now, this bonus is constantly fluctuating, and I have seen it as low as 35,000 points and as high as 60,000 points, and it really all depends on when you apply and what offer you are able to find. Now, I'll talk more about what these points are actually worth in a second, but long story short, 60,000 points has a redeemable value of around $1,000, depending on how it is redeemed. So if you want to guarantee yourself that 60,000 point sign-up bonus, then there is a link down in the description below that will allow the first 10 of you to lock in that 60,000 point bonus on the American Express Gold Card, or get another exclusive offer on any other American Express credit card when you apply and are approved. Now, in the case of the American Express Gold Card, you do have to spend at least $4,000 in the first 6 months of having the card, so just keep that in mind because most credit cards that have some kind of sign-up bonus like that do have a minimum spending requirement. But as I've said before, as long as you have at least $700 per month in regular expenses that you would have made anyways, you will have no problem hitting that $4,000 spending requirement in the first 6 months. So these sign-up offers are constantly fluctuating, and you can find all kinds of different offers if you really look, but if you do want to lock in that 60,000 point sign-up bonus for the American Express Gold Card, or check out some of the other exclusive offers on their other credit cards as well, then be sure to check out that first link down in the description below, and I'll leave that there until the first 10 of you claim that offer. So if that link is still down there, then that exclusive offer is still available to you. Alright, so the various statement credits and the points are really where the bulk of the benefits lie with the American Express Gold Card, but let's go into the app and take a look at the countless other card benefits that you can get as well. First of all, when you open up the app, you'll have these standard menus at the bottom of the page with your current statements, a membership tab that shows you how many points you currently have and how to redeem them, another tab that shows you the countless offers that you can redeem, and even an accounts tab where you can add someone to your account, freeze your card, or even keep track of a number of things like your credit score as well. So if we go back to the offers tab, you can see that there is literally an endless amount of different offers with various partnered retailers. Now, truthfully, most of these are with companies that I have never heard of before, but it doesn't hurt to just keep an eye on these different offers since they are constantly changing, and see if there is anything that might play into your regular spending habits. And if you ever want to redeem any of these offers, you can just hit the little plus sign on the right hand side, and that offer is then added to your card and can automatically be used with your American Express Gold Card. So if I were you, I would just go in and add a ton of these offers to your card because there's really no harm in doing that. And then when you go and do your regular everyday spending, you might find that you naturally had an offer that you didn't even know about, and you might save some money or get some cash back as well. Now, I just got this card, so there aren't any membership points at the moment in my app, but under the memberships tab, there is a way that you can go look through the many other benefits that you can get with this credit card, and where you can redeem those points for the different rewards and other benefits as well. The general rule of thumb is that one American Express point is worth anywhere between half a cent up to 1 cent or more depending on how it is redeemed. But you can use these points for a number of things, including redeeming them directly for gift cards, applying them to your statement balance, shopping, or even transferring them to other membership programs like Hilton Honors to maximize the benefit that you are getting. And that's where you're going to get those free flights, free hotels, and all of that good stuff. Now, this video is not about redeeming American Express points, but if that is something that you're interested in, then let me know down in the comment section below. But I will throw in here that while the point system may sound really confusing and complicated, American Express has a really helpful calculator where you can tell them what card you are using, how many points you're looking to redeem, and then they will automatically show you the different ways that you can maximize the benefit of those points. So if you get that 60,000 point offer that I mentioned earlier using the link down below, then you can redeem that offer for up to $600 in gift cards, use it for $600 worth of flights, or even transfer it to another membership system like the Hilton Honor system that I mentioned earlier in order to maximize the value that you are getting. So let me know what you think of the American Express Gold Card down in the comment section below, and if you did find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who you think would get value out of this content as well. As always, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.